Every November, a growing number of people take on a unique challenge, to go an entire month without, well, indulging in certain urges. Known as No Nut November, this trend has spread across social media, inviting people from all walks of life to put their self-control to the test. But No Nut November is more than just a viral internet challenge. Beneath the jokes and memes, there's a deeper reason why people are drawn to it. It's about exploring self-discipline, building resilience, and finding a new level of focus. It's a chance to experience what it feels like to step away from instant gratification and see the impact on both the mind and body. In this video, we're going to dive into the science behind No Nut November. We'll explore what makes the challenge so powerful, not just as a test of willpower but as a tool for strengthening our self-control and focus. So, why should you care about self-control? And how could taking on a challenge like this actually improve your mental and physical well-being? We'll uncover the psychology and neuroscience of instant gratification, showing you how even small changes to our habits can have a big impact on our discipline and motivation. So, whether you're curious about the benefits, looking for a way to boost your focus, or simply want to better understand the mind's inner workings, stay with us as we break down the science and potential rewards behind No Nut November. Let's get started. Imagine you're stuck in traffic. The delay itself is beyond your control. But your frustration? That's within your control. By accepting the situation and focusing on what you can do, like using the time to listen to a podcast or reflect on your day, you turn a stressful situation into an opportunity for growth. This mindset is the essence of Stoic calmness. Next, let's talk about the importance of mindfulness in Stoicism. The Stoics believed in being fully present in each moment, observing our thoughts without judgment. This is similar to modern mindfulness practices, but with a Stoic twist. The Stoics didn't just aim to be present, they aimed to be intentional. They practiced mindfulness to ensure their thoughts and actions aligned with their values and virtues. By doing this, they maintained a sense of peace and purpose, even in the midst of chaos. One effective way to cultivate this Stoic mindfulness is through daily reflection. At the end of each day, take a moment to reflect on your thoughts and actions. Ask yourself, did I allow external events to dictate my emotions? Did I stay true to my values? By regularly examining your behavior, you can start to notice patterns and make conscious adjustments. This practice not only promotes inner calm but also strengthens your ability to respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively to life's challenges. Another powerful Stoic practice is negative visualization. While it might sound counterintuitive, imagining worst-case scenarios can actually help you stay calm. The Stoics called this premeditatio malorum, or the premeditation of evils. By mentally preparing for potential difficulties, you reduce their emotional impact if they do occur. This doesn't mean dwelling on negativity, instead, it's about building resilience. For example, before an important meeting, imagine it not going as planned. How would you handle it? By rehearsing your responses to setbacks, you're better equipped to face them calmly and confidently. A related Stoic concept is amor fati, or the love of fate. This is the idea that we should embrace whatever happens to us as necessary and beneficial, even if it seems difficult at the time. Marcus Aurelius, one of the most famous Stoic philosophers, wrote, "A blazing fire makes flame and brightness out of everything that is thrown into it." In other words, every experience, whether positive or negative, can be transformed into something useful. By adopting this mindset, you can find peace in any situation, knowing that it is part of your unique journey. In today's world, where uncertainty is constant, amor fati can be particularly powerful. Whether you're facing personal challenges, professional setbacks, or global crises, embracing each experience as a necessary part of your growth can help you remain calm and focused. Instead of resisting or resenting what happens, you learn to work with it, turning obstacles into opportunities. Now let's explore the Stoic approach to emotions. The Stoics didn't believe in suppressing emotions, rather, they advocated for understanding and mastering them. They recognized that emotions like fear, anger, and frustration are natural, but they also believed that these emotions should not control us. According to Seneca, we suffer more in imagination than in reality. Often, our anxiety and stress come not from the events themselves, but from our interpretation of them. By challenging our automatic responses and reframing our thoughts, we can diminish the intensity of negative emotions. One technique the Stoics used is cognitive distancing, the ability to separate ourselves from our thoughts and observe them objectively. When you feel overwhelmed by anxiety or stress, take a step back and ask yourself, is this thought helpful? Is it based on facts or assumptions? By questioning the validity of your thoughts, you can reduce their power over you and maintain a sense of calm. Another critical aspect of Stoicism is virtue ethics. The Stoics believe that true happiness comes from living a virtuous life. They identified 4 cardinal virtues: wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. By striving to embody these virtues, we align ourselves with our highest potential. For example, wisdom helps us make sound decisions, courage enables us to face challenges head-on, justice guides us to treat others fairly, and temperance encourages moderation and self-control. By focusing on living virtuously, we can rise above the chaos of the external world and find a deep sense of fulfillment and peace. 4. Enhanced endurance and stamina. Finally, let's talk about endurance. No Nut November isn't just about saying no to one thing, it's about building resilience. Physically, that resilience can translate into better stamina. Over time, many people find they have greater control over their impulses, leading to a stronger body-mind connection. So, while No Nut November might start as a mental challenge, it's clear that the benefits can go far beyond the mind. When you're investing in self-control, you're also investing in a healthier, more energetic, and resilient body. This challenge is truly an opportunity to reset and realign with our physical health. That's the science behind some of the physical benefits of No Nut November. If you're doing the challenge, let us know in the comments what positive changes you've noticed so far. Remember to like and subscribe for more insights on self-improvement and Stoic principles. The Stoics also understood the importance of community and service. They believed that we are all interconnected, and that our actions should contribute to the greater good. In today's individualistic society, this idea can be incredibly grounding. By shifting our focus from self-interest to collective well-being, we not only reduce our own stress but also help create a more supportive and resilient community. Engaging in acts of kindness, volunteering, or simply offering a listening ear to someone in need can all be powerful ways to practice Stoicism in modern times. Finally, let's talk about self-discipline. The Stoics believe that self-discipline is key to maintaining inner peace. In a world full of distractions and temptations, staying focused on what truly matters requires effort and commitment. Whether it's resisting the urge to check your phone every few minutes, sticking to a healthy routine, or following through on your commitments, self-discipline is essential for achieving your goals and maintaining your mental well-being. One way to cultivate self-discipline is by setting clear intentions at the start of each day. Decide in advance how you want to respond to potential challenges, and commit to following through, no matter what. By doing this consistently, you build the mental strength and resilience needed to stay calm and focused, even in the face of chaos. In conclusion, the principles of Stoicism offer powerful tools for managing anxiety, stress, and uncertainty in today's chaotic world. By focusing on what we can control, practicing mindfulness, embracing adversity, mastering our emotions, living virtuously, serving others, and maintaining self-discipline, we can cultivate a deep sense of calm and resilience. These Stoic lessons are not just ancient wisdom, they are practical strategies for modern living. Start applying them today, and experience the profound peace and clarity that comes from living a Stoic life. Practical tips to succeed in No Nut November. So, we've talked about the benefits of No Nut November and how it can build willpower, focus, and self-mastery. But committing to this challenge isn't easy, it takes discipline and some strategic planning. So, let's get into a few practical tips to help you succeed in No Nut November. First, set clear goals. Rather than focusing solely on not doing something, try to shift your mindset to what you want to gain. Ask yourself, what do I hope to achieve by sticking with this challenge? Do I want to build stronger discipline, increase focus, or just prove to myself that I can stick to something tough? Having a why can keep you grounded and motivated. Second, avoid triggers. We all have those things, whether it's social media, certain types of movies, or even just being bored, that can lead to temptation. Identify these triggers in advance and try to avoid them whenever possible. You might consider putting limits on screen time or unfollowing certain accounts for the month. Third, channel your energy into something productive. No Nut November frees up a lot of mental energy and focus. This is the perfect chance to dive into something new. Maybe it's fitness, learning a new skill, or working on a project you've been putting off. Keeping your mind occupied with productive activities can help reduce temptation and keep you engaged. Fourth, practice mindfulness. When you feel urges or cravings, instead of fighting them, try observing them. Just acknowledge the feeling without acting on it. Techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or just taking a moment to step back can help you move through those urges without giving in. And finally, fifth, don't hesitate to seek support. If you have friends or know others who are also participating in No Nut November, consider checking in with each other. Having someone to talk to or share progress with can help keep you accountable and motivated. So, those are a few practical tips to help you make it through No Nut November. Remember, the goal isn't just abstinence, it's about strengthening your self-discipline, discovering new things about yourself, and learning to direct your energy toward things that matter most to you. Stay committed, and always remember your why. This challenge can be tough, but the rewards in self-control, focus, and growth can make it truly worthwhile.
7. Closing remarks. So, can No Nut November boost your energy and productivity? For a lot of people, the answer is yes, but it's not just because of abstaining itself. It's the discipline, focus, and self-awareness that often come along with it that can make a real difference. If you're participating this year, use it as an opportunity to reflect on your goals and find out how you can channel your energy for growth. And if you've done No Nut November before, let us know in the comments what you've experienced. And don't forget, if you're looking for more tips and strategies, check out my ebook linked in the description. It dives even deeper into how abstaining can impact your life positively. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.